Hello everyone! In this video, you will learn how to multiply numbers using the grid method. The materials needed are the following: a sheet of paper and a marker. Suppose you will be asked to multiply 35 times 14. First, let us draw rectangles and label the sides with the numbers to be multiplied. 35 will be written here on the top. Then the number 14 will be written here on the left side. Now we partition 35 and 14 into smaller numbers. 14 will be split into two numbers, 10 and 4. And we draw a line across the rectangle between these two numbers. So the pink paper is our rectangle and we draw a line. Next, we partition 35 into four numbers. These four numbers are 10, 10, 10, and 5. Then we also draw lines down the rectangle between each number, just like what I am doing right now. Now, our rectangle looks like a grid. Next, multiply the number at the top of each column by the number at the start of each row, and we write the product in each box in the grid, starting with column 1, row 1. That is 10 times 10 equals 100. Next, we multiply column 1 by row 2. 10 times 4 equals 40. Then we continue. Column 2 times row 1. 10 times 10, that's still 100. Column 2, row 2, 10 times 4, that is 40. Let's proceed. Column 3 times row 1, 10 times 10, that's still 100. Column 3, row 2, 10 times 4, that's 40. Now we're down to our last column. 5 times 10, that's 50. Column 4 times row 2, 5 times 4, that's 20. So after we do this for all the boxes in the grid, we simply add up all the numbers in the grid row by row, and we write the total at the end of each row. So for the first row, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50, that's equal to 350. For the second row, 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 20, that is equal to 140. Then we add these two totals using column addition. So adding 350 plus 140 will give us 490. Therefore, 35 times 14 is equal to 490. I hope you enjoy multiplying whole numbers using the grid method. Till next time!